Welcome back. Now, Windows 10 does give you applications to manage your desktop. If you go to your desktop, you place your mouse someplace where there is an icon, you right click that mouse. What you can do is you can first view your icons in a certain manner. Of course, just as you can inside your folders, you can then see them as large icons. You'll see that there. You can size them back down to medium, or you can size them down to small. In some cases, if you're doing a recording and maybe you don't want to show your desktop icons, you can then remove them altogether and then they won't show. You can right click and then you can bring them back by showing the desktop icons. You can also sort the icons that are on your desktop. What you can do is you can sort those icons by their name, and this will then arrange them in alphabetical order according to the name of the shortcut that you have in the desktop. In some cases, it may be most helpful to sort them by the last one that you did or the date modified. So you can do that by clicking on date modified. And what you'll see is that these icons will then be arranged according to how you have installed applications or modified applications on your personal computer. And of course, you can then sort them by item type on your desktop. This can be helpful if you're trying to find a particular zip file, or if you're trying to find a particular open file. You'll be able to see them all at a glance in one area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.